Have you been told you have flat feet? You probably need to work on your foot and ankle strength. Hi, my name is Rina Harris. I'm a functional podiatrist, and in this video, I'm going to explain what flat feet are and how you can improve them. Flat feet come in all shapes and sizes. The most common type is a hypermobile flat foot, which is super flexible due to laxity in the joints, ligaments and tendons, causing the foot to pronate and the arch to flatten. And now I'm going to show you how to improve your foot strength and foot function. Let's get into the exercises. So for this first exercise, you're going to need a band like this. So grab a band and place it on the ground and place the whole foot on the band. Wrap the band around the big toe only, like so. And you're in this slight split stance position here. Hold the band parallel with the shin, not towards the knee, so you're not crushing that big toe. Start with your foot and toes on the ground, and from here, you're going to lift all the toes up, and then you're going to press the big toe down against resistance. When you reach the ground, continue pressing into the ground for 2 seconds. So really activate the muscles and then come up again. So up, down, press into the ground and come up again. This exercise is a really important one to strengthen the arch of the foot. It works in the structure called flexor lucis longus, which is a muscle, a supinator. It's a powerful supinator. So we want to strengthen this muscle when we have flat feet. My advice is to do 20 reps, 3 sets. Okay, and now we're going to move to the second exercise. So for this exercise, you're going to need a ball. Tennis ball will do, or any other ball of a similar size. And you need a wall because you have to hold on to something. Okay, so grab your ball and place it in between the heels. Make sure your feet are parallel for this. Hold on for balance. And from here, we're going to lift our heels as high as possible. Once you're up here, squeeze the ball, so you're activating your muscles, and then lower down. So lift, squeeze, down. And you want to do this nice and controlled way. Don't rush it. And I recommend doing 15 of these, 15 reps, 3 times. Now we're going to move to the next and final exercise. And for the third and final exercise, you're going to need 2 bands, so both in a loop. So I've got one, and the other one, it was a loose band, and I created a loop. So grab one of the bands and place it around the ankle. You need to twist the band, so you create a figure 8 with it. And there's one, and then the second one, exactly the same, is going to go around the midfoot. Here, we're going to twist and then place it around the midfoot. So from here, make sure your feet are parallel, soft knees here. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn our feet out and ankles out and push them against resistance. Then come back in. As you come in, make sure you don't fall into that extreme position. Go to neutral and then push out and in. The other thing that you should be aware of is as you do this, I don't ideally want your feet to go out so much where the forefoot is lifted off the ground. Keep the forefoot on the ground. So out, activating those muscles on the inside of your arch and ankle, and in. This is a great exercise to work on the supination, strengthen the muscles that are powerful supinators of the foot and ankle. And my advice is to do 20 of these 3 times. I hope you found these tips useful. Please remember, when treating flat feet, a natural approach, strengthening your feet, walking barefoot and barefoot shoes are much better solution than supportive shoes or orthotics which prolong weak feet. Now, if you would like more information on flat feet, we have a comprehensive course on our platform VivoHealth, so head over there for more information. If you also have issues with bunions or plantar fasciitis, then please check out these videos.